Well, one of these issues are dry rotted, horrible tires. Ooh, I see that piece of metal right there. We're gonna have to hammer that in today. Oh yeah, we need to get that in so we don't cut down a tire. But yeah, time to get tires. And with the magic of YouTube, tires delivered. All right, we got two fresh 295 35 R20s here. All right, and there it is with the magic of YouTube. We got two fresh tires here for the rear. I'm going to grab something here in a second to bend that piece of metal back in that wheel well. But these were ordered through Military Exchange, through Simple Tire, I believe is what they're called, right? Yeah, Simple Tire. And they are Lexani. They're not anything special, but they're literally just to get this right. I don't know if we're going to keep these wheels on this car at this moment, but one thing for sure, I didn't want to be driving it like that. Having dry rotted, separating tires, even if they are Pilot Super Sports, not exactly what I wanted to be doing. So got to get this into the video. You already know what it is. Today's video, these tires, this car, sponsored by Morgan & Morgan, attorneys at law. If you're looking for a personal injury attorney, size matters. And Morgan & Morgan is the largest personal injury law firm. You can get started with them today, 8 clicks or less, right from your smartphone, by going to forthepeople.com/TK's Garage, forthepeople.com/TK's Garage. And I appreciate them for allowing me to do this cool car stuff. So next thing's next. I am going to see if we can maybe PDR a couple of these dents and stuff out. But I'm going to definitely push that in right now. So, Shade Tree Body Shop with TK. There's a couple of things we need to address on this car. We're going to bend that in. I'm going to do that with a hammer here in just a second. I got to figure out why this fender is sticking out. And then, like, we have a couple of dings. We got one right here. We got the other one over there to deal with. That's it? Oh, that'll work. Ball peen. Let's go. Now, I don't know if that's probably... I need a claw hammer. Damn it. After some evil manhandling and destroying a t-shirt, that's a little better. Not much. I still need to hammer that in. And probably will tell the guys when we go to put the tires on to hammer that down once we get the wheels off. But that's better. Definitely safer to drive it like that. Now I know you're gonna say, TK, you beat the paint off of it. What are you gonna do? Well, more than likely this car is going to go get paint. Anyway, so I'm not really super concerned about it. Where is she? We got to get this thing started. And then hold the button, right? There it is. Yes. Raw. So I figured we'd take the car out for a little bit of a run. Had to do a guts check, so we're at Taco Bell. And just got to get this thing out, man. These cars are not made to sit for real. So it sure ain't 2004. I still haven't figured out how to fix that. Figure we'll figure it out at some point though, but can't really complain on how she's running. She's running good, man. Gonna get these tires replaced tomorrow, which you'll probably see in the video. Probably gonna do the shocks and struts all the way around on this thing. And then I might do the coil packs. We'll see. Oh yeah, wheel hubs. That thing is still roaring up there in the front. I'm not driving the car super far. It's only like 8, 9 miles. You know what I'm saying? I know someone's gonna be like, oh, you can't drive it like that, TK, it's gonna break. We do not care. That's good content. Whew. Well, today, guys, we got to put new shoes on her. Yes. 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 We're going to get rid of these dry rotted ass tires and replace them with these brand new tires. So let's get it.
So you say you don't want the warranty?
All right, guys, so you see it. She's back there. We're going to get these tires and whatnot installed, get a full synthetic oil change, and just try to start doing things the right way on this car, get this car taken care of. All right, guys, we finally got the tires installed on her. And shout out to the people over at Walmart, too. They actually got that in much better for me, all nice and hammered in on that fender. Those tires look amazing. They're not anything crazy. They're just cheap Z-rated Lexani tires. But they'll get me by for what I want to do with the car. Oh, I got another one I'm going to have to bend in over here, I see. I wonder if that is a problem that the tires are causing it to hit. Well, we'll have to try to bend that in with some tools here in the future. We'll get that fender fixed so it's not sticking out. That's stupid. But there she is, guys. Tires done, one thing down, oil change done, and we'll continue to try to get stuff done on this car. Yep, we finally got a check engine light. Oh boy. Yeah. All right, startup procedure.